guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, a bird doesn't want to drink water and it just came here for no reason. I don't know what's wrong with it. It doesn't want to drink water. Birdie, come on, drink water. It's just staring at it when I give it. I'll show you. That's what the birdie's doing right now. Maybe she's lost? Wait. Oh, it's close to the ending. And this water can't be reaching. Oh boy. Come on, birdie. Come here. Come here to me. You have to come here to be safe. Please.
One little bird was here and it fell from a nest. I don't know how it did. Then a big man started to come here. And he said, "What was that bird?" What is the bird doing, guys? What did it want? I don't know what happened to this bird. I hope it's all better. It's a brown bird. And guys, tell me what should we do with this. Put a comment below. What should we do? Okay, guys?